Hey, what's up, y'all? If you're like me, you're wondering, oh, why I have a dual monitor setup, and every time I click another game, my screen goes black and then it refreshes. This is how to get rid of that. So, what you're gonna want to do is in the game, go to display, and you're gonna want to either select full screen windowed or windowed. And so the full screen option, this is that's what makes your computer like glitch out and like go black and then refresh and then now it's gone whenever you select another thing. So if you hit full screen windowed, it gets rid of the annoying like bar thing at the top, and it still has it full screen. It's the same thing except it's technically windowed. So that means you can click on, like, right now I'm clicking on my other application, and it's not like glitching out and like sending my computer like overload. So full screen windowed or windowed, and that fixes your situation. That makes it where it doesn't disappear, and you can click on other applications like YouTube. If you have a second monitor, I use it for YouTube all the time. I'll play World of Warships or Hearts of Iron. If you're familiar with the channel, Hearts of Iron is what I mainly do. So yeah, that fixes the Windows issue, and this is a little special video. I don't do tech stuff. I don't do tech stuff yet, at least. Right now, my two other videos currently on the channel is Hearts of Iron 4. So, and I looked on YouTube to solve this issue, and I couldn't find what I was looking for. So, this is kind of for anyone who's also struggling for this. So, if this helped, drop a like, subscribe. Currently, I'm at 0 subscribers at the recording of the video, and I have two videos. I mean, not trying to have high hopes or anything. Well, I do have high hopes. Eventually, one day, I'll make it. I'll make it out of the suburbs. But yeah, drop a like, subscribe. Uh, Helps me out. Turn on notifications if you want to, but if you don't, that's fine too. I'll take what I can get. So yeah, I hope this fixes your problem. Most games have this. I mean, for most any game that I play, it has this. It has this. So yeah.